Alright guys, today we're going to be restoring some headlights on a Nissan Sentra. Let me show you guys how they look right now. They're really bad. There's a lot of haze. They look foggy. They're rough. Same thing for this one. A lot of scratches. And we're going to be using the mother's, what's it called? Nulens right here. This right here. I already used this before on another car and it worked pretty good, so we're gonna see what it does today. Excuse me, Sophie. First, you want to start off. You get 4 different grids. You get 800, 1500, then you get another 1500, and then the final one, 3000 grit, and then you gotta finish off with this little ball right here. This is the polisher. Sophie, stop. And this is the polish that you use for it. So we're about to start off with the 800, even though you don't have to. You can go straight to the 3000, but I'm gonna just do it the right way. So let's see how they turn out. So the first thing you want to do is get the headlight very lubricated with water, or else you're just gonna scratch the light even more. I mean the headlight. So 800 grit, look how it looks. Alright, so now I'm using the 1500 grit. This one's going to be a little bit more strong, and it's going to do it's going to remove more of the haze that's on it right now. We got 3 more steps. See how the water's not so dirty no more? Alright, so now we're with the thick pad. This is a grit 3000. This is the last step before the polish. So we're gonna be moving on. Hopefully this does most of the job, and then the polish is what's gonna bring out that new look. So let's see how this goes. Oh, and if you're wondering what this is straight water. There's nothing in there, just water. Alright, so this is the last step. This is the polishing little ball that you guys see right here. I've used it before, so it's not as clean as it's supposed to be, but it'll get the job done, trust me. So let's see how this turns out. Where's the polish? And then this is the polisher. And with this you have to be careful because you don't want to get it on the paint. If you get it on the car's paint, it's gonna be kind of hard to get it off. And we just polished it, so I'm gonna try to be as light as possible. One more time. It already looks basically brand new, but just to be sure. Alright, turn this camera around. Look at that. Let me show you the other one. This one we haven't even touched. It's really foggy, rough. Let's see if I can. Maybe that does some justice. Let me get closer to the other one. And we just polished this car. Look at this. It's going for sale, so if you guys want it, let me know. Alright, so the headlights are restored now. I don't know if you guys can actually see it good. It might be too much sun out here, but they look a lot better, trust me. And we gave this car a full polish. See how it turned out. This is my first actual polish on a car. Like a complete polish all over the car. Not just the polish, but we actually did the compound and then the polish using Meguiar's products. I think it turned out pretty good.